Cinzia. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Francesco Venturi. I had the honor to be asked to create a guided visit of the Donizetti Theatre here in Bergamo. Unfortunately, it wasn't possible for the moment to visit in person the theatre, but we created a virtual version of the visit in which the theatre itself guides us in its own voice, in its own words, and tells us its past and present and future. I will test the visit myself now, and I hope you will enjoy. Ready? Start.
I should probably say, good evening and welcome to Donizetti ON, but I prefer to just say, hi. In the next few minutes, my voice will guide you through a journey to rediscover the theatre, with a few simple instructions. Let my voice guide you, chill out and enjoy the journey. I'm right here. It's great that you want to join the game. Let's get started. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm the theatre. This one here, the Donizetti Theatre. I'm very happy to meet you. Such a long time has gone by, and so many things have changed in the meantime. I've changed, the world outside has changed, and maybe you feel some kind of change too. Come on, let's go inside. Restoration works are over, and I feel different, inside and out. I'd like to show you how I look now, so I'll be walking with you. It'll be a journey through space and time. But don't worry, we won't get lost. I'll be by your side every step of the way. This is what the theatre looks like today. We're now in the foyer. I've decided to start our journey here, as the foyer is where people meet, socialise, have conversations. It's always been like this. Are you ready to go? Great. Can you see those stairs on the left? If you go up, you'll find yourself in 1790. Let's go. Take the stairs to the first level of boxes. I was built as a place for celebration and festivals, like the whole area around me. These days, many temporary theatres are built in wood and taken down at the end of the season. It was the same for me, initially, but I was determined to stay. Today is the 24th of August, 1791. It's my birthday. I'm strong, made of stone and bricks. My name is Teatro Riccardi. I'm an Italian-style theatre. I'd like you to join me for celebrations, but we can't right now. The doors are closed. We're in the 18th century and boxes are private. Stop for a moment and listen. Families come to the theatre and bring all sorts of food and drink. The noise of cups and glasses is occasionally so loud as to cover the actors' voices. You know, life outside actually continues inside here. And this is something I've always liked. At the end of the corridor, on the right, you have one of the Proscenium Boxes. You can take a look inside if you want. I've left the door open these days. Now turn around and go through the door on the right. There is a door on the left. That is the stage office. Please come in. Here we set in motion the past, the present and the future of all theatrical activities. Walk through the office and take the door on the left. Once you're outside the door, climb the stairs on your right. We're now back in the 3rd millennium. So much work has been done in this area. In 3 years, 50 people have worked here every day. In the final weeks, there were 80 people. And overall, 260,000 hours of work have been recorded just here, with incredible efforts. With all those hours, you could listen to all of Gaetano Donizetti's operas more than 1,500 times. When you reach the top, walk through the door on the far left. We are reaching the dressing rooms. Look, it's all so modern. We could actually be in 2050. These are the Soloists' dressing rooms. You normally don't get to see this part of my body. I keep it secret to enhance the surprise effect. Come inside the dressing room on your left. You can make yourself comfortable. In 2050, I guess many hands will have washed here and many makeups done. In the dressing rooms, we get ready to give the best of ourselves, just before walking onto the stage. I should have had my premiere last summer, but then it all stopped. From March 2020, I went into a lockdown, like everyone else. A lockdown is like being in the dressing room and waiting to start again. Starting again doesn't mean flocking outside. It doesn't even mean that we're all suddenly free. It's something that happens gradually. You are now in the dressing room with me. Look in the mirror. Where do you see yourself today? Someone is on stage. Some are waiting in the wings. Others are still in the dressing room. The dressing room of life. And you, where are you?
All members of the choir, this is your 3-minute call. Your 3-minute call.
It's time to go. Walk out of the dressing room and turn left. When my artists walk out of these doors, they don't know what will happen. Will it be a success? A fiasco? You can now move to the end of the corridor and take the door on the right. From these stairs, we get down to 1974. Let's go. Tonight, the Art Ensemble of Chicago is playing. This concert will make history. Let's go down and reach the stage. At the bottom of the stairs, take the door on your left. Jazz is out of this world. I was born to be an opera house, and I'm like a mechanical clock where every single gear and spring has its own place. Then, of course, there are unforeseen circumstances, but improvisation? That never really happens. That's why I like jazz. I know a lot about jazz, although it took me time to get to know it. It's time. Come, I'll show you my gears and springs. walk out of the door and turn left. Get closer. 15th of November 2020, the day I am officially reopened. You're now in our days, right at the foot of the fly tower. This is my true heart. Once it was just humans who pulled it. Now I have my engine. I used to be a sailing boat, but now I'm a motorboat. Look around. Move freely. You can climb up the choir tribune.
Why did you put the orchestra and the choir on stage?
Well, everything is special this year. Now, turn towards the audience. That's the new safety curtain, you see? 25 tons of steel that you can move up and down with a button. Just like this. Come on. Get closer to my mouth.